gather round the bedside of a dear old loved one, lies there worn out and tired, and even as the pain won't go, they hold bravely to my hands, whispering not to worry, I'm headed for a better land. And sometimes it rains when everything is doing fine, and sometimes it rains when trouble's farthest from our minds, and sometimes it rains, brings the storms to our doors. Thank God that it rains the blessing that's in store. They asked me to come closer, there's something they have to say, how life has been good to them. Oh, but sometimes cloudy days, for many trials that we must face, somehow we bear the pain. Every day isn't sunshine, oh, sometimes it rains, and sometimes it rains when everything is doing fine, and sometimes it rains when trouble's farthest from our minds, and sometimes it rains, brings the storms to our doors. Thank God that it rains the blessing that's in store. Thank God that it rains the blessing that's in store.